There it is. Palace Week 1 of Spring 2025, boys. It's a new year, so we're back here on the porch, as I do. And today we're going to be unboxing this very package right here, which was delivered with absolute efficiency by the great people at the United Postal Service. So shout out to them. Honestly, I'm really looking forward to opening this package. So let's cut all the jibber jabber. Like the video if you enjoy up close and personal streetwear unboxings. Subscribe for more Palace and Supreme content. And let's get right into it. Got the Damascus knife. That bad boy open. And and there it is. You can see. Well, no sense of spoiling the suspense. Let's just do it in the order that it's found. So first off, we'll close the knife. We have the Palace Cobra camo trucker hat, which is super dope. Let's get this thing out of here. This was easily the best part of this drop, was all the items that featured this really cool real tree print, and then the Ford-inspired logo with the Shelby Cobra inspiration, but it's also making the P to spell out Palace. I love the size and thickness of that embroidery. We have the P with the spiral there on the side, looking dope. Real tree edge. Shout out to the edgers. And then Palace right there on the tag. Inside tag, Palace Skateboards. Cobra 6 panel made of 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Hand wash or wipe clean. I mean, don't iron this, guys. Should be obvious, but there you go. Made in Vietnam. And there's your Korean instructions. What do you guys think? Let's get some sunlight on this baby. Oh yeah. That's looking real good. The Palace Cobra 6 panel. Love. What y'all think? 64 bucks for this. I think that includes the shipping though. So it was like doesn't give the price on this bad boy right here, but with the skateboard and that, it's a 120 subtotal, 143 shipped. There you go. That's Palace for you. But yeah, really clean hat. It's going out on eBay right now. So I am not gonna wear this, but super sick, clean hat. Did you guys cop one? Let me know in the comments. But that is what it looks like up close and personal. Ooh, I feel very blessed. Palace gave me 2 stickers. So we got a black Triferg and a white Triferg. I'm gonna say it, I do these little challenges on these videos every once in a while. If this video gets 70 likes, I will ship someone these 2 stickers. So hit the like button if it gets 70. Just be sure to remind me, because sometimes I forget when they get 70 or when they get the goal I asked for and no one comes and claims the prize. So if you want your Palace stickers, like the video. There you go. Finally got some more space. We'll take a look at this deck right here. Really dope design. I had to go with the pink. I think it's an 8.25 wide deck. We got all the side sponsors, which looks super dope. Palasonic P-style on both sides. And then here's the grand reveal. Here's the grand reveal, boys. Let's get some good light. All right, the grand reveal. Boom. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Racing Team Palace. Palace Racing. We got the R34 Skyline GTR Palace Racing Edition. Triferg sticker on the B pillar. You got the faster logo Palace guy chillin'. You got the E-Callip. That's a tire sponsor, I think. It's also just Palace backwards. Pal right there on the suspension. I'd like to live as I please. You got Is that Ski? I don't know these kanji characters, but I know that's Ski, which is like Pal 2 Ace. And then the wheels, they look familiar, like maybe Speedline wheels. I don't know exactly what they're taking inspiration from, but I love the Palace Pirelli ripoff logo. PSB09, seen that before. Another P, Palace on the Japanese plate. I mean, this is an amazing graphic, and I'm excited that they're releasing it on clothing items as well. Palace on the windshield sticker, and then a big livery with the Paleo Tires guy. That's right, Palisonic on both sides. Amazing graphic design, amazing look to the whole board. And then of course you got like the BMW M striping right here, kind of inspired look. And then Palace in the back. Like, this deck is really sick, and I think they're actually reselling for quite a bit over retail. I think the 2-pack is like listed at $300 on StockX. I don't know, but this was 80 or 60 bucks, something like that. I thought it was a really good skateboard that I had to have. Probably one of my last skateboards that I'm going to comp for the near future, because let's be real, guys, I have 4 skateboards at this point. I don't think I need too many more, but I will be putting this up on the wall, and hopefully during my streams I can remind myself, or you can remind me, to show off the little collection. But this was a no-brainer. Not going to be skating it, unfortunately. Shout out to you if you are. But those are my 2 items. I know it's a quick unboxing of a 2-part special. We got the Cobra 6-panel hat and the racy skateboard. Which would you guys rather have? What did you pick up from this week in Palace? I didn't cop anything from the Death Note collab, but looking at the prices, man, I should have grabbed a t-shirt or something. Those are going crazy. So everyone was wrong. I kind of was right on my first impression. I said, Death Note fans, they might be coming out for it, but that's not the point of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below anything and everything you want answered. And it's been your boy Thomas, and I'm out. Peace. And Bucky's.